Elon Musk revealed SpaceX's new nuclear reactor. Today we have a very informative topic for you to be watched. We will tell you about Elon Musk revealed SpaceX's new nuclear reactor. So sit back and relax, because we're just diving into the video. Have you heard of nuclear reactors, bombs, or radiation? If not, what comes to your mind when hearing such things? For us, it is always about the future. I'm sure that if you know Elon Musk, it is likely you're familiar with how he's doing and all the achievements of SpaceX. For a while now, the media has been keeping an eye on SpaceX due to its aerospace and space exploration endeavors. It is no secret that Elon is one of the world's greatest thinkers, and now he's targeting nuclear reactors. And while he has faced considerable criticism for his plans, they have already made so many groundbreaking discoveries that his plans are coming along quite nicely. Also, it's expected that they're working on a discovery that could change our world and reality forever. However, what are these stunning discoveries? And why could they change everything? In this video, we'll examine their progress and uncover how they came up with their ideas. It is no secret that SpaceX continuously pushes the limits of technology in every field that touches, and is known worldwide for coming up with innovations that make competitors rethink everything they do. And by offering more technologically advanced products, they are transforming the industry to such an extent. For example, they're producing space rockets that far outperform the models previously produced by other space rocket producers. Currently, they've been working on developing nuclear reactors, in order to avoid the dangers of atomic reactors. They would like to show you photos of transformers, which are not as dangerous, and a nuclear reactor produces approximately 1 gigawatt of energy. Further, the transformation of the American economy has been happening for over 6 decades, and continues to do so today. Moreover, the Chernobyl disaster is one of the sadly known examples of the casualties caused by nuclear reactors. In 1986, there was a nuclear disaster in Chernobyl due to a design flaw. Moreover, it is SpaceX's goal to design a reactor without this design flaw. In addition, SpaceX has been around for quite some time, and it's been both praised and criticized by many people over the years, although some love the work and discoveries that SpaceX makes. Others are of the opinion that the progress is not adequate. Nevertheless, if you look closer, you find that they are indeed very interested in what is beyond the Earth, and are making efforts to find other planets for us to inhabit. Additionally, the team is working on terraforming Mars, and he believes nuclear reactors are the best way to do the job. So imagine the ambience and atmosphere of a world on Mars, where you have an uninterrupted power supply, a close relationship with the Earth, and the environment is relatively safe. Further, SpaceX is currently developing a lightweight nuclear reactor based on space technology. Saving money would not be the only benefit, but resources and energy would also be conserved. And in case you're wondering why Elon is so passionate about achieving his goal, this is because he understands this. Also, there's a notion that these would be referred to as micro-reactors, and they will be fixed in size and location. And according to some reports, these nuclear reactors are supposed to be able to fit into shipping containers that are relatively portable. Meanwhile, the nuclear functions on a different principle from a typical nuclear reactor, although it basically works the same way. Atomic reactors, for instance, will use helium as part of their cooling systems rather than a high-pressure water. Simply by replacing high-pressure water with helium, corrosion, contamination, and pollution will be reduced. Furthermore, this new version of the nuclear reactor does not melt the particles during the reaction, which makes it superior to conventional reactors. Consequently, there will be a lower level of pollution, since solid radioactive waste is much easier to handle than gaseous vaporized waste. There's no doubt that SpaceX is making a name for itself, as it has already begun to receive patents for its achievements. During any refueling and maintenance procedure, one patent aims to decrease the quantity of fuel and maintenance costs, and another aims to efficiently transfer heat out of the reactor. Currently, the micro-reactors can generate an output of more than 1 megawatt, although it is still a prototype. In order to better understand this situation, you can estimate that this is enough energy to power about 1,000 homes for 8 years. For space enthusiasts, this is great news because it proves that the terraforming project on Mars is on track. And did you know that one of these mini reactors can power 1,000 homes on Mars if they were to construct them today? Because of its size, this mini reactor can easily be launched into space using a rocket. Additionally, these mini reactors can even be automatically operated from a distance. So what would the world be like without all the excess pollutions that we have today? And there is a significant reduction of waste associated with power production, making the environment safer and cleaner. So if these mini reactors were invented, they could gradually make the air we breathe cleaner and safer for us to breathe. Those are the things that SpaceX aspires to accomplish. And that is what they're working hard for. In addition, if they were successful in building these mini reactors, they could be used in places where big nuclear reactors are difficult to monitor and maintain. Meanwhile, in some of these countries, the resources would even be insufficient to build reactors. Then eventually, with its gradual inclusion into power production, there will be a reduction of fossil fuel use due to its manufacturing. And in the present day, the most significant fossil fuel used for power is diesel, and for years, it's been used in the industrial sector. During the Industrial Revolution, many factories, businesses and power plants were powered by combustion. Yet most environmentalists are aware that diesel and other fossil fuels are among the leading causes of air pollution. When fossil fuel combustion is replaced by mini reactors, the world will be able to produce more power in a safer manner. Aside from that, economies around the world can use all the money they would have otherwise spent on combustion for other purposes. In fact, it might surprise you to know that this invention will be used by the military as well. This is because we all know that military operations are frequently conducted in remote locations without access to electricity, and to ensure that their operations continue to run smoothly, they spend billions of dollars every year transporting fuel. This not only dampens spending, but it also increases the chance of becoming compromised and attacked by the adversary. Additionally, the logistics problems constantly make the process inefficient. Thus, integrating mini reactors would enable the military to be more stealthy and efficient while performing its duties. Also, with its portability and ease of use, it allows the Army to move bases quite quickly and easily switch locations. As a result, their installation team anticipates being set up in a new site in 72 hours or less. Basically, this means the military only needs to plan the changing phase 3 days in advance. What more is that it takes about 3 days to set up a mini nuclear reactor. So if they start planning by Monday, they can move into a new base by Thursday. Further, the SpaceX team is aware of the controversy this could cause. Meanwhile, due to the misconceptions they hold about mini reactors, some people would oppose their existence. Alternatively, some would fully accept the trend and encourage others to join it. And this innovation has attracted so much interest, because so many people are seeing its potential. Moreover, this is a project that has received millions of dollars, and by the recent breakthroughs they've made, because of its effectiveness has been evident. In conclusion, there are now a multitude of reasons for moving towards a more efficient form of energy production. In addition, because the cost of electricity would decrease, the economy would also improve the loss for a person living in a developing country. This would save them a lot of money on fuel for generators. That's at the end of the video. Hope you like this video, plus thank you for spending some time with us, and please let us know in the comments section below about the video. A gentle reminder: subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one, and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new uploads.